To add the new ribbon to the spindle, hold the ribbon as shown and insert the spindle blue end first into the core, making sure that it is pushed as far as it can go. And then insert the other spindle into the empty core. Place the spindle containing the new ribbon into the rear drive mechanism, and then place the spindle with the empty core in the front. Now feed some ribbon off of the back of the roll and then beneath the print head. Bring the ribbon around the back of the empty core and attach it with some tape. Now turn the blue wheel in a counterclockwise motion to take up any slack in the ribbon. Then lower the print head into place before closing the lid. Now place your new roll of labels onto the spindle, and then carefully slot back into the printer before feeding through a few labels and then lowering the upper sensor bar back into place. Now push the print head back down so it clicks into place before closing the lid of the printer. You can then finish off by pressing the feed button to check the labels are passing through correctly and stopping in the correct position.